Hello everyone, this is another quick tutorial video just showing you how you can use our online print portal, our social distancing shop, to design your own social distancing signage, whether that's floor stickers, banners or posters. So here's the home page, printportal.shelleys.co. You can click here at menu, go to store and go to sock disc design your own, social distancing design your own. And here you'll see the default products that we have on the normal social distancing store have been made editable. So you'll be able to incorporate your own branding, personal messages, logos. So a good example would be this one, the 2 meter footprint floor sticker. So what you're going to do is choose your quantity. I've already got some stuff in my basket ready, so I'll just get rid of that. And add those 10 items to the basket, and then this button will appear to customize artwork. So pressing that will bring you to the design editor, and this will give you a template of the default social distancing sticker. So first option is here. You can put the footprints, or you can keep it as a, we can put it as a 2 meter distancing sign. We'll keep it as the footprint for now. And enter information here at the bottom field. You can then put your own company logo in there. You can change the colours. You can have a red or a grey background, for example. You can choose what will fit in with your branding best. And on the sides here you can alter each one of these messages. So you could put please keep 2 meter distance, for example, and if the text is too big for the field, the size is just down here, so you can alter that so that it fits in. And yeah, so it's a really easy, simple tool to use. So once you're happy and you've changed the messages for what you'd like, you have your company logo, the colours of the borders and the background are most suited to you and what you'd prefer. You can then press finish editing. This will then show you a proof of your design, so you can just have a look at that just to make sure you're happy and you can accept the conditions of the proof. And once that's finished loading, it will then show you in your basket, there you are, your personalised stickers. And these are coming in at £6.95 per unit plus VAT. And so once you're happy with that and you've approved that, the design and the quantity, you can then go through the checkout process. So again, here, just like on any other online transaction, you create your account, put in your billing and delivery and payment information, and complete the transaction. So that was just a very quick, brief video, just showing you how to use our design your own tools to create your own personal social distancing signage. So thank you very much for watching.